to show you how to essentially connect your WordPress.org blog to your Amazon Associates account. So I have my blog up on the other, the back end of the screen, like I'm going to write a post. You want to do it HTML. Let's go with the most difficult way. Alright, so you want to link to the page. So you want to have Amazon create yourself a link. What this does is you can change your color code and all that jazz. Highlight your HTML. Copy. And paste. Now, that's great, but that's what you come up with. And let's say you want to start some text. Buy this book so I can buy others. And that's what it looks like. You don't like that. So let's just keep that as a way to test. Go in here. And I switch up. So sometimes I want to do left, sometimes I want to do right. But I guess you have to spell it right. There you go. Now, save it. Preview. Now this is right here clearly not going to be there. This is something that pops up with mine. But as you can see, it's to the left of your thing. Let's go back and add some better text so you can see what I'm doing. And there you go. It's going to be right here. Now, so you see that. When you put it here, your line left will go into here. Now, let's say you want to do right. And there it goes. Or you want to do center. Center is a little bit different because it's kind of like already on center. See? So left or right is what's going to work. There you go. Now, on the other hand, let's see how would I want to do that. All right. Go back to my HTML. Let's say, well, actually, let's go here first. Your WP Associatizer, which is awesome because he writes like I do. So this guy has invented a plugin. Now, this is only for WordPress.org. Don't let this scare you. Mine still works. So you go here, you download, and you install, and you activate. You take your Associates account ID, you plug it into there, right there. I don't give back. I don't care. Anyway, so it goes right there. Now this is what this entitles you to do. Let's say I want to go and say, I don't want to have to put a lot of code in. I don't want to have to do a lot of pretty work. I just want to write a post. There you go. So you have, what it does is it creates a search term for whatever you want to put in. Let's do some more search terms. Now, the problem with search terms is that you may not actually get exactly what you want. So, but it will add something to your list. So that's what I get no matter what. Even if I do type in that, then I go to books. Now all this will be clicks. That's another click. And then I buy it. So I'm not going to buy this because it's that. Although I really want the book. I can give my address to somebody if they want to send me that book. But even if I have, there is nothing, my ID's not up here. If I bought it, it would still go to the account that I clicked through because of cookies. Let's see. And there you go. Now you can do it like that. You can get just a little bit more concise with it. So let's say I want to go back here and go so like I said, it's sometimes, there you go. All right, let's say, now here's the other one. You go to share. I usually do Twitter. Twitter pops up. I copy this. This is a cheap way of doing it. I go here. Add a link. Now, my account associate's ID is in there, right there. And it goes right there. Actually, when it goes there, you have a prettier link that you can always copy and put back in there. If I wanted to, I would take this, save as an image, add this pretty URL to the image, and then put it back in my post. But that is the way you do the associates account for a WordPress.org blog. Every little bit helps a blogger, I think. It helps keep track of the books we're selling after we review, and it helps us buy more books. So there you go.